Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face Trending List, published on October 2nd, 2025, just yesterday. This paper shows that a method called ExGRPO delivers plus 3.5 and 7.6 points over on policy reinforcement learning from verifiable rewards, while keeping training stable. The paper is titled ExGRPO, Learning to Reason from Experience, and the implications for model training are quite significant. In short, the method reuses valuable experiences by prioritizing correct, low-entropy reasoning traces and mixes them with fresh rollouts, boosting reasoning across models from about 1.5 to 8 billion parameters. Also, the authors shared a GitHub repository. You will find the ExGRPO code with plug-and-play experience modules, bucketed sampling, and a mixed policy trainer, plus data prep scripts, training bash scripts, and evaluation utilities. The README walks through installation and usage, and they provide released model checkpoints and configs to reproduce results. Figure 1 shows that medium difficulty questions drive the strongest gains, while easy and hard add smaller but still useful signals. The left chart reports test performance by question group, with medium outperforming the easy and hard-only trainings. The middle chart compares entropy for correct versus wrong chains, where entropy means average token uncertainty and lower values indicate cleaner reasoning. The right chart plots entropy of correct trajectories, which concentrates lower for medium questions than for easy or hard. Figure 2 shows how ExGRPO turns past reasoning into stable gains. The top panels outline experience management, which collects successful rollouts, buckets questions by correctness, and picks the lowest entropy trajectory, where entropy means average token uncertainty. A Gaussian sampling bias prefers medium difficulty questions. The bottom panels detail policy optimization, which mixes on policy samples with replayed ones, so learning stays exploratory yet steady. Importance weighting corrects for off-policy reuse and keeps gradients well-behaved. Well, Figure 2 outlined how the experience mixer works. Table 1 reports results on QN 2.5 Math 7b. ExGRPO lifts the average in distribution score over on policy by about 3 points. It also edges out other replay and off-policy baselines, with an average around 58 on the generalization set. The strongest rows concentrate gains on hard math, like AIME, which signals better reasoning under difficulty. Okay, Table 1 showed solid gains. Figure 3 demonstrates that those gains hold across backbones. Figure 3 compares in distribution on the left and out of distribution on the right, with hatched bars for ExGRPO outperforming the solid on policy bars. On the left panel, scores rise across math sets, peaking around 80, which signals stronger reasoning. On the right side, generalization improves further, reaching about 91 on GPQA. The pattern stays consistent across Llama and QN variants. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Prioritizing experiences by correctness and low entropy yields cleaner reasoning signals, and mixing replay with on-policy updates delivers higher scores and steadier training across 1.5 to 8 billion parameter models. The broader implication is more sample-efficient, scalable reinforcement learning from verifiable rewards for reasoning systems. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.